All right. Here at Bionic Buzz, we're all about people's passion. Where did your passion for wrestling come from? Is it something, a certain match you saw, or something you always had since a young age?
I'll do the talking. I would say that our passion is for money.
Nothing wrong with that.
And we just want to win everything that comes
At any
our
cost?
way. At any cost. Look at us. Really. You think there's a cost?
I love it. All right. So what's your favorite moves to punish people inside the ring with?
Ooh. Yes, Chainsaw has her special move called the Chainsaw. And maybe if you watch season 3, you'll be able to see it.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm sure you're on social media. Where can we follow you at?
You can follow us at W.O.W. Chainsaw and W.O.W. Angelica Dante. We make it pretty simple, you know?
I love it. Yeah. Thanks very much. Great.
Careful, honey, careful. Don't get her too excited.
Okay, I'll send the interview before I get injured. So thank you so much.